In this episode, I'd like to show you a new feature from Gmail that allows you to create your appointment schedule and share it with other people so that way they can book time within your calendar for meetings or whatever else. Now, if this sounds like something you might already have, well, chances are the thing that you're using might be something else like Calendly or stuff like that that is then integrated into Gmail. And most oftentimes, it's a service that you have to pay for. Now, within Gmail, this feature comes free. So that's what I want to show to you today, so that way you can get rid of your other services and now have it just all integrated within Gmail. So right here, where I'm at is in the calendar view of my Gmail account. And all you have to do is click up top where it says Create. And then you'll see all these various things. And as you can see, appointment schedule, new, create a shareable page that lets people book time with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. Now here you can see how it all works, right? So you can give this a title, so I'll just give it a title of a test for now. How long should each appointment last? You can select 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, an hour, blah, blah. So we'll just go ahead and pick 30 for this. But again, for you, that is, you can define that. Now here, then we have, general availability, repeat weekly or whatever, and what you want to be available for or not. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that, hey, you know what? My general availability is 10 to 4 on all days. So we'll go ahead and put that. And as you can see, there's nothing to it. And you can select the days that you want and don't want, and then you have other options here of, okay, Pacific Standard Time and scheduling window, 60 days in advance to 4 hours before, so you can start it sooner. So let's say that I only ever want to schedule out 30 days in advance. Minimum time booked before appointment is 4 hours. So that way, someone can't just drop in something on my thing right here, right now. And so, yeah, we have that. And we could change various things, and we can go ahead, you can make co-hosts and blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to go ahead and click next and send booking reminders to prevent. So, it'll kind of walk you through various things. So got it. You can give it a little description, so let's say, I don't know, whatever it is, you're a consultant, doesn't matter, you could put in what this is for. So that way, essentially when people book with you, in their kind of auto cal invite, it'll have a description here. That's why, the name probably would be better, like, Phil Svitek, consultation, whatever it is, and it gives them the availability to, or it gives you the ability to kind of select some of this stuff, yada, yada. And then you just hit save, right? So boom, there it is. And then let's go ahead and open the page booking. So same as any other thing that you've probably seen when you're booking time for somebody else, here's what it come up with. And you just end up booking the time, or they would rather that they want to meet with you, right? So it's as simple as that. And of course, you can adjust things, and, if all of a sudden you have something come up, you just clear it out of the available time slots and you're good to go. So it's as easy as that. I hope this helps. Utilize it. I know I certainly am utilizing it with my stuff. This was just kind of a demo of it. If you have any questions or experience, that you have feedback that you'd like to share with others, by all means, go ahead, comment down below, or hit me on social media at Phil Svitek. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.